The Red Cross has partnered with the DeFuniak Springs Fire Department to help keep you safe. The fire department receiving smoke detectors in May to install in homes for free. So far, 80 smoke detectors have been put in place. DeFuniak Springs Fire Chief Ross Sheffield says each house should have at least one to minimize safety issues. The #1 cause of fire, he says, is unattended cooking. No wiring needs to be done. Installation is quick and easy. The detectors can last up to 10 years. Sheffield says they want to get these installed as quickly as possible. So for more information, go to mypanhandle.com.